Yo, what is up guys? Bombfishers OD back with another video. Guys, I'm in my car right now because we are gonna go do some pond hopping. It's around 5:30 p.m. right now. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, I highly advise you guys go do that right now. More videos are gonna be coming soon. August is gonna get hot, like I've been saying. We're gonna go try and get on some fish. It's gonna be fun. Let's go. Tighten up on itself just like that. That's how you tie a leader to your braided fishing line. Snip the excess, give it one last final tug, and snip more of the excess, just like that. I'm pulling up to the spot now. Good old trout spinner. Got him. I think he's caught up. No, he's not. Healthy fish, nothing crazy. Let him go. Seems absolutely money for the frog. Can't really tell what it is. Probably bass. Oh, he got off. Ooh, got something good on the big swim bait too. Oh my god, that's a huge crappie. That's a slab. That's a PB. PB. That thing's huge. This is a big crappie, boys. There he goes. That was pretty sick. I thought I had a good fish on too. I kind of false hooked them, so I thought it was a good fish. Got him. Really catching everything but bass out here. What the? Jesus. Got him. What is it? Jesus, I'm in like the bluegill feeding grounds right now. It's the thing with this pond. It's like you never know what you're gonna pull up. There's so many things in here. We're yet to catch a black crappie, pickerel, perch. Wow. Got spiked on the last one. Got him. Feels decent. It's crappie. Oh my god, it's a big one too. Absolute slab. Oh my god, this thing's a crappie machine today. Not as big as the other ones, but take it. What is, dude, oh my god. This thing is bigger than my hand. Let's get a nice release on him. Look how old he is. He's like fading down here because he's so old. There he goes. Damn, that was a 10. That was nuts. Is this a bass? Bass, but not the size we're looking for. I'm casting, trying to get this. Oh, it's a perch. No way. It's good to know. No way, nothing's snuffing this right now. Oh, no! No, you've gotta be kidding me, bro. Like, any fish that hits top water is gonna be huge all the time. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, got him. That was insane. No, he spit. Oh my god, no. I swear these frogs, bro. Oh, that was electric. These frogs just sell sometimes. Oh, I got something. No, it's a bass. Hit that straight off the top. Dude, rainbow trout spinner. Lure of the day. We are gonna start making our way back. All right, I made it back to the car. That was a good day, pretty good day. Nothing crazy big, but man, that thing was an absolute animal. Trout, rooster tail, gold edition, not silver, gold, was an absolute demon. Pretty cool to see some topwater action. Kind of wish those fish committed a little more. Kind of wish my drag wasn't set down all the way. I don't know why that happened. Hit that subscribe button, turn on those post notifications, like the video. All the socials will be down below. You guys already know the vibe. Let's go.